Microphone check, check. Let's do this again. Um, my apologies, everyone. Good morning, everyone. Tom, aka Nostradamus. Apparently, my Comcast decided to go out for a couple minutes. I did have that problem this morning earlier when I woke up at 4:30 a.m. Sucks, man. I had 6 people in the chat. I think I had 6 likes. Anyway, let's go on with part 2. Hopefully, oh man, that is not how you start a week. On top of it all, it's already 70 degrees. It's going to be 105 today, or 103, or too freaking hot. I need to get the hell out of this state, or at least where I live. All right, let's get back to where we were. My PayPal position, I was going to sell this. That little power outage just cost me like 60 bucks. I want to sell this because I think the markets are going to go down more. So I sold that at like a $200 profit. That's good. And then let's see. 40 days to go. I have I think 5,700. Can I sell? Retro in the house. Yeah, I had my cable went out for a few minutes. I had that problem this morning too. All right, I'm gonna sell a 55 put. I think it'll let me. I don't have enough margin. All right, let's see. Coin. How is that? That's down, or that's up 145 bucks today. Bull Scott, you got banned from the heart. What did you do, brother? You must. Yeah, what did you do? Do tell. Were you drunk? Did you go on a bender? Let's see what's going on with the crypto market. Bitcoin 20,480. As mentioning in the stream before it got cut off. Started bleeding over the weekend. Saw a really big dip. I don't know, sometime around 2 or 3 o'clock yesterday PST. It dropped $400 pretty quick. Actually, look at this. Oh, this is on the daily. No wonder. There was a 15-minute period. It dropped like 3 or 400 points. I made a meme of Harmony Team partying, captioning it. What'd you think was gonna happen, bro? Oh my goodness. Poor Bolska. So are you still bullish Harmony One? Or Harmony One was looking pretty good this weekend. It was at like 2.5 cents. I don't know why. Don't pay. All right, I'm sitting here patiently waiting for the crypto crash. Again, we do have CPI data this week. I'm not really expecting good news, but that doesn't necessarily mean anything. Markets kind of beat to their own drum sometimes. They don't make any sense. I'm not expecting good CPI data. I don't know. Does the Fed announce the rate hikes this week? I don't think that happens until the end of July. Correct me if I'm wrong. I think CPI data is this week, but the Fed doesn't make an announcement until like July 26th. And then I don't think there's anything in August, and then the next would be September. Anyway, that's what I kind of remember when I looked at their calendar. But I'm patiently waiting. I mean, it's killing me. I look at the price more now than I did when Bitcoin was at like going every time it was. Remember being early on, I was like, okay, we just went to 40,000. We're going to 50. You know what I'm saying? 60,000, this and that. I was checking the price a lot back then. I had a lot of Cardano. Cardano was blowing up. But I look at the prices way more now going down than I did going up because and it kills me. I want it to go down a lot more to the point where when am I being greedy? Am I being too greedy right now? One could argue that I am because it's almost a certainty that if I buy these crypto assets now, good assets, then I'm going to make money. Then I'm going to make a lot of money as long as I can hold if it goes down more. But I've already got a lot of skin in the game. I'm really trying to hit that grand slam. So I think it's going to go down. I'm in the camp of I think it's going to go down. I don't know how much. I'm thinking Bitcoin, even more than Capo, can go to like 10, 12K. Cardano, 35 cents, 20 cents, 15 cents. Solana, $20, $15. Polkadot, $3. Harmony One Sub, a penny. Atom, $3 or $4. And I'm looking to load the freaking boat. Now, if I see things pivoting at a certain point and I have to buy it a little bit more expensive, that's fine. I mean, I'd much rather buy it at lower prices. But right now, all indications are we're going down. The trends shows down, lower high, lower high. Look at this chart right here. Bear flag down, bear flag down. Oh, what do we got here? Bear flag. What do we think is going to happen? There are some indicators out there that we could be at the bottom and this might not break down. We've already had most of the capitulation type liquidity crisis events. Three Arrows Capital, Voyager, and Celsius. I'm a little bit surprised how well this is holding up considering all that's happened. Constantly seeing tweets like KuCoin is going to be insolvent today. Like I saw a tweet that Coinbase suspended withdrawals. I think these are all just BS now. Like you can't even then I caption it with "We low key hate our community." Anyway, that's my plan in crypto. What are we like 15 minutes in? That's all I got. Uh I did boring ass markets. I don't know how I'm going to continue. I'll probably, you know what? If I stream tomorrow morning, I'll probably start about 15 minutes early. I won't be able to stream long tomorrow for sure. I do have an appointment to go get some blood work done. Let's see. I did the Evoverse drop this weekend, and I think that's been a huge bust. Are they actually up to 1,700 eggs? This was just I got destroyed in this. There was like a delay. These guys messed this up so bad. Like I'm so frustrated right now. Look at this. There was a delay in the mint and it caused the price to crash, and then they fixed the mint. So I went ahead and minted both of my things, and then the price goes to the roof. So that cost me a lot of money right there because it was based on $200 based on the price of so if I would have waited, I could have had a lot of money left over. And now I want to get back into the yield farm, but I don't want to buy this coin when it's up in the stratosphere. Like I don't understand why this coin is up so high. I'm not going to put more money into this right now, but I do want to yield farm more. So I'm kind of between a rock and a hard place right now. I got close to 50,000 locked Evo, so I guess, that's better than a kick in the teeth. I don't think, yeah, that really, I know Farnswoggle got a little destroyed by that too. And this is too hard for me to figure out. 1776. And that's the day we got our independence, wasn't it? 620. That doesn't make any sense. Why is there 620 eggs remaining? I thought there was 3,000 total. I did treat my eggs. I don't even know how you see your eggs. Oh, I guess 600 of them are locked. What does that even mean? Yeah, because there is 3,000. How do you see your eggs? And why are some locked? I have 2 locked remaining. What is locked? What do you, why are you asking if I'm okay? uh, no, I'm not okay. I'm sick of this market. I'm bored of this market. It's hot. Been on a bus that's flipped 17 times. I'm struggling to find things to talk about. My allergies are off the chart. No, I'm not, dude. Honestly, I'm not. But I don't really feel like talking about that right now. It's just routine blood work. The type 2 diabetes, check that. And then I've been having some pains. They're gonna check, like, whatever, guys. I might be dead next week. Don't don't die on us. I'm trying not to. If you're struggling to find things, do a full recap of Evo versus NFTs. You know what I could do? You guys notice the shirt? It's uncomfortable, but it's cool. There's a few projects on Cardano I'm starting to get really excited about. We can talk about that, bro. Do a full recap. What the do you want from me? I'm not religious, but thank you, Bill. I don't. What the? I don't know. I don't understand this project at all. It doesn't make any sense to do a full recap. I just bought the eggs. They don't have. They haven't done an announcement. I'll tell you. I'll do it. This project sucks. Like we haven't had an announce. I mean, they announced the mint. The bank just received 1 million Evo, and the director decided to give it back. All right, whatever. To reward this winning together. The ATM, great. That's not good for Harmony One. Why doesn't it do both? Are you officially done with Harmony One? I think they are. I think they rug pulled Harmony One. That makes me like them even less. Like, I don't. So, these are some, like, shit that's gonna hatch, and they have chroma. I don't even know what that means. Is that different colors? And you can PvP with them. I'm not interested at all in this game. I have no desire. I mean, maybe my opinion changes down the road, but I have no desire to play any of these games on Harmony. I'm done with even DeFi. I have really no desire to play that game. I was euphoric, excited because I was making money. I was like half a millionaire theoretically. That was exciting. That's more fun than any of these boring ass games. I'm done with. Like, if there's a money, if if there's an opportunity to make money, I'm all for it. But these games, man, they ain't fun to me. DeFi Kingdoms ain't fun. That's that's a pain in the ass. Doing all these little quests and shit. Maybe the PvP's fun. I guess. I doubt it. So I minted this because I was bored. Minting NFTs is kind of fun. Maybe I get a cool one. Maybe we make some money. I'm yield farming a little bit, waiting for Cardano to go full bore. And then I may be done with all these shit chains. If I'm being honest with you, I mean, I won't rug pull you all, but I don't have faith in any of these projects. This mint was a disaster. The way they did it, I said beforehand, doing it at Evo, especially in a bear market with manipulation and all these liquidity issues and the bridge being hacked and this and that. I am not a fan of what's going on over here right now. Bitcoin's a dumping. When Bitcoin's a dumping, when Bitcoin's a dumping, Bitcoin. I'm trying to say something that rhymes. Word Bitcoin's a dumping. Oh my goodness, you're not a believer either. So you, so why are you praying for me, Bolska? So you bought shit without even knowing. uh, No, I know you. There's supposed to be. There's that. That's another thing that pisses me off. I know there's supposed to be PvP, but I don't give a f. I just bought them. I thought because I maybe I can flip them and make a little money, but now it's done nothing. I lost money because they effed up the mint and the price crashed, and then you know, you know how it is. Then they fixed it, and I'm like, oh shit, I gotta mint this, or I'm not gonna mint. I'm gonna get. It's gonna I'm gonna get gassed out, or I'm not going to get one. So I minted when the value of Evo, where it took a lot more Evo to equal $200. So I minted and I barely had any Evo left after that. If I would have waited, I'd be able to mint right now and have like a shit ton of Evo left over to go yield farm with. But no, they effed me hard. It is their fault, but it's not their fault. You know what I mean? So I don't know. And now the damn thing's not even minted out yet. I guess there's 620 eggs to go. They're not doing a very good job of explaining shit. Maybe it's here. So I did pay for that. Like, where does it explain any of this shit? It doesn't, dude. Like, if I'm wrong, I'm wrong. But I don't, like, what does this mean? Evo egg. 604. What does this locked Evo egg mean? How do I see my eggs? Locked remaining. What does that mean? It doesn't explain it on here at all. Read read up questions? All right. Maybe. Oh, that doesn't even open in a new tab. You freaking kidding me? I bet it doesn't have it. Let's see. How many types of Evos? We'll have 12 types. Will the project have an audit or a smart? Yeah, for sure. Uh, since it will there be a, we will have PvE and PvE. I don't under Pro UI. Yeah, I don't see anything about what eggs are, staked eggs or blocked eggs. I didn't see anything in the Discord about it. This is all Harmony One shit here. and to migrate. 3,000. You will have two ways. Evo, Evo, see Evo. Upon mint, there will be randomized eggs. This egg will be a precious Gen Zero. So if you wanted to buy them, well, I mean, it's $200. After a couple days, you'll be able to hatch your egg. Well, it's been like 3 days, bro. So I should be able, after a couple, so it's been 3 days. After a couple that you will be able to have people been hatching their egg? Blah, 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 blah. I did the tip. Chromas are cosmetic only visual trait. There are 68 unique Evo available. When more, okay, blah, access, Evos. Players will be able to buy, sell, rent, sponsor, and breed the Evos. So, I mean, there's going to be some stuff to do. Whether or not I can make some money off this rug pull or not, yet to be seen. If you want to get involved, it's not too late. They have about 600 left. I do expect it to sell out. Again, it's 200. You're going to be able to breed. So you might as well, like if you're going to do it, I would buy two. I guess, not financial advice. And you might as well pay the extra $10 tip. It gives you about a 1.4% increase, which isn't much, but it's a lot more than the 0.1. So there probably won't be a lot of those. It's probably $10 down the drain, unless you're one of the lucky. We have decided to reduce the mintable species to 68. What was it before? Wasn't it? We were looking at that in the docs, I think. Yeah, whatever. Where mint, how mint. Earlier, yeah, to blah, blah, blah. There is now an action button at the bottom. This will give you an option to change. Oh, who cares? So I don't understand. What's a locked egg? Explain it to me like I'm 5. Team. And it's annoying that you have to walk over there. I got a red light. Do I have to wait? Do I press the button for it to be green? Uh, when Bitcoin's dumping, my pants be lumping. Hell yeah. It's catching a little bit of a bid. I want it to crash. Crash. Let's crash right through this bear flag. Let's go to 10K in this stream. If Bitcoin were to go to 10K right now, you would see me in panic mode trying to buy. I saw that he released a video about Win Lambo's quest. Yeah. I didn't watch it because I don't give an F about Win Lambos. Win Lambos. We can take a quick look at that. I don't give a shit about anything. I don't honestly. I mean, I'm just doing this to try and make some money. What is Evo? What is a locked egg? I guess I can ask in the chat. Let's see if they're friendly over here or just assholes. Pin message. Nothing. So they said 2 days. It's been 3 days. When egg hatch between now and Friday. So more like 2 weeks. Within 2 weeks. Hatching and PvP coming soon. All right, lame. We need like, is this team's second or third job? Like, it doesn't feel like it's their primary job. More better updates, guys and gals. Mars Colony. Is this just a soft rug now? Our monthly community call starts in 15 minutes. Wow. So they've done everyone Avatar rename was just released on mainnet. So this project has been pretty um meh. I barely even check this one anymore. Win Lambo, Harmony One. Let's check this rug pull out. Do they have announcements? Is Harmonyville Win Lambo? It is, right? They've had 3 announcements since I've last checked them. 40 days between announcements. Oh my goodness. I mean, what are they supposed to do? Their treasury probably got destroyed too. Speaking of treasury, we haven't really had any real updates from Harmony One. I've earned 700. How is that even possible? Some of that locked or something? They hire. $82. Oh, because it's locked. Claim all. I mean, I guess I might as well. Put some of it to work. Maybe one day I come back and this shit's worth something. I mean, I'm not holding my breath. Yeah, I mean, I'm not. What's I mean, dump HVIL. Like, what do I have? 264 HVIL, so that's worth about 12 cents. It's worth about $12, right? I mean, I guess I can go buy a Chipotle burrito with it. Trank 0.014. That's a big fat write off. Night crash into the depths of hell. Fira 25 cents. This is the project that's gonna make millionaires, right? Bolscaw? Are you aping into any Fira and Tank right now, or have you given up on them yet? Crystal's looking pretty decent. They got